Welcome to part 6 of For Sale by Owners listing and selling their homes for top dollar. I'm Ashley Haga, your friend in Mile High Real Estate. In this video, we're talking about feedback. As a listing agent, on every home that I list, I send an email to every buyer's agent who shows the property asking for their feedback. This information is crucial if the home doesn't sell in the expected time frame. So I've never really heard of a for sale by owner doing this, but I say, why not? What you'll need to do is when a buyer or buyer's agent calls to set a showing, get their name, phone number, and email address. If you feel uncomfortable asking for this information, remember that people are reasonable. You're taking a risk by allowing people in your home. And if they're not willing to give you this information, they shouldn't be welcoming your house. Once you have this information, continue ahead with the showing. After they leave the house, send the buyer's agent an email that says, is your buyer interested in the property? And if not, what were the determining factors? This feedback should be reviewed for any repetitive comments. So something like they don't like the layout of the house, it's overpriced, or there's no privacy in the backyard. Whatever the repetitive comments are, they'll help you devise a new strategy to market your home, whether that means changing the price, the condition of the home, or the terms of the sale. Now let's talk contracts. The best advice I can give you is to hire an attorney to draft the contract between you and the buyer if a buyer's agent isn't involved. And if a buyer's agent is involved, you still may want an attorney to review it so that there's someone looking out for you. These are legal contracts with legal consequences, and there's so much arbitration now that involves for sale by owners. And it's not because they're intending to do anything wrong or break the law, it's really just a lack of knowledge. Something to keep in mind is the Colorado Real Estate Commission approved contracts that realtors use. This is actually actionable against the seller, which means that the buyer can take you to small claims court if you don't abide by the contract, and this isn't the same for the buyer. So you really need to be cautious. You need to CYA, and I think the best way to do that, if you're not hiring a listing agent, is to hire an attorney for a couple of hours to just review the contract for you. Thank you so much for tuning into my video, and I truly hope that it helps you market and list your home for top dollar as a for sale by owner in Denver. Thanks again.